So here we go. The weight and the height gives way to the action right here on one side. Maybe the division's most well-rounded fighter, taking on arguably the biggest submission threat in this division.
Because he's such a great submission grappler, I believe that this is the most dangerous fight for him in the division.
Wow.
He needs to maintain his space, stay away from this guy at all costs, and force him to stand up with him.
Well, really using his reach advantage there with that punch, DC. Well, perhaps a sign of things to come as he lands a kick there.
Nice kick landed by this gentleman. Big punch lands over the top. How's he gonna follow this one?
Oh!
He's in trouble. He's hurt bad.
And a knee. Oh, straight right.
Look at him chopping the wood. Chop the wood with those leg kicks. Nice looping punch.
Continues to mix it up, going to the head, mixing in some body shots. And he landed the right hand there. Mercier gets hit with a kick. Oh, good opportunity to do damage here. He's got that tie clinch. Mercier's lower jaw now starting to show signs of swelling. Oh, and he connects with a punch there, DC. You gotta like what you're seeing thus far.
I mean, the speed at which he throws is crazy.
Hard shots landing on both sides here. Oh, and he tags him with the straight. Beautifully placed there by Choi.
My goodness.
Just out of range with the big right hand. All right, so he continues to use his jab effectively here, DC. He gets that hand to the target pretty quickly.
I mean, just right away, blasting the jab after jab after jab. He's a phenomenal boxer with a vast understanding of fighting behind that educated jab.
Well, he's certainly keeping busy, DC, connecting with most of the punches he's thrown.
I mean, punches and bunches. He's doing a great job. Big, powerful punch lands. Now he gets back to range.
Punch coming, it's blocked.
He loaded up there on that high kick.
Nice hook lands.
Oh, nice high kick. He's throwing every part of himself into these big leg kicks. Good punch lands.
Well, the left hook has been there at times, not that time. Flush right hand is true. Still unable to find that precise range with the high kick. Oh, good job defensively there to block the strike.
Wow! Put it to sleep. Now look at him jumping in to try to get the finish. Oh, he got him. He got him.
Oh, and he's able to land a strike there from the bottom. Nicely done by Mercier. All right, side control now, DC. You know he's in his element on the ground. A lot of tricks up his sleeve.
A lot of tricks.
All right, side control now. We'll see if he can advance position. Under a minute now to go round one. A lot of top pressure being applied here. All right, north-south position now, DC. We'll see how he chooses to advance from here. All right, 45 seconds now to go in the round. Oh! Huge right hand!
Dude's hurt. Serve him up. Go get him.
Oh, he might be out. Oh!
Big kick lands.
Oh, and he tags him with the straight. Nice job there by Choi. What a All right, there's the end of the round, so it was a huge strike to the head that stunned his opponent and nearly got him out of there.
Yeah, that was a big moment. A big strike lands, his opponent's on wobbly legs. That is exactly what you want to see as you're walking back to your stool. Your opponent staggering back to his corner and being hopeful that he can get it back together before the start of the next round.
You have the power to put this guy down, to show that nobody's knocked him down.
Are you ready? You ready?
All right, round two. Well, you saw us referencing the tail of the tape, DC. He's got the reach advantage and certainly made good use of it there in landing that jab. Effective strike there by Mercier. Whoa!
What a fantastic strike to throw at the exact right moment. He deserves this one. Go finish this fight.
Man, these guys are throwing back and forth. Whoa! Mercier's lower jaw looking extremely swollen now.
Big head kick lands.
And he connects with a punch there. We'll see if he can follow it up.
He's landed that punch over and over again. What's he gonna do to follow up?
Much improved defensively as he blocks the shot.
Oh, he's hurt bad. He's hurt bad, John. He's got to press him. He's got to go chase that finish down now.
Oh! Starting to do some really significant damage to the body here. Another strike lands there.
Ooh, what a punch.
And both guys really throwing with authority. That shot is blocked by Mercier. Just over 3 minutes now to go in round two. Oh! Oh, and that is it. Referee has seen enough, and maybe so have we. Your winner by TKO.
That was a great performance. Way to land those strikes and go and chase down the finish when you get an opportunity.
Let's take a look back at the replay. It ends up a knockout, but this was really a striking clinic from the moment they touched play.
I mean, a competitive fight. That one guy finally found the shot that ended the fight. But both of these warriors displayed a ton of heart. One guy got the finish, but neither guy should be disappointed in their performance.
Now we go inside the octagon. Bruce Buffer with the official decision.
Ladies and gentlemen, referee Yves Leving has called a stop to this contest at 1 minute, 54 seconds of round number 2. Going the winner by knockout, the career